Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where we craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I share with you a magical recipe for Calendula Lotion Bars that can add some summer magic to your skincare. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm beginning with dried calendula flowers, and I'll be infusing some olive oil with these flowers for several weeks. I'm filling a jar with these petals and then adding olive oil. Calendula is associated with the sun. Its bright golden petals and its affinity for sunlight connect it symbolically to solar energy, vitality, and the life force represented by the sun. Calendula embodies vibrant and uplifting energy, promoting positivity and vitality and renewal. It's a popular flower both during the summer solstice and also on the Day of the Dead for remembering loved ones. Calendula has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it effective in reducing redness, swelling, and irritation. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and rashes. Calendula is also an antioxidant. It's antimicrobial, and it has healing and wound repair properties. It's a wonderful addition to skincare products because it's moisturizing, soothing, and it's thought to have skin brightening effects. Once the jar is filled with petals, I added olive oil and closed it tightly. I left it to infuse for 4 to 6 weeks in a cool, dark spot in my apothecary shelves. After it is fully infused for 4 to 6 weeks, it'll be time to strain the petals from the oil. But before we strain the oil, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art live stream, my crafting live stream, and my monthly Plan With Me live stream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. After 4 to 6 weeks of infusing, it's time to strain the oil. You can use a mesh strainer or even cheesecloth to strain the oil. And as a side note, if you don't want to make your own infused oil and wait for it to infuse, you can purchase pre-made calendula oil for this lotion bar DIY project. I'm setting up a double boiler to melt my ingredients together. I'm adding a little bit of vitamin E oil to the calendula oil as a preservative. Vitamin E oil will extend the life of my oil by preventing rancidity. Both vitamin E oil and jojoba oil will work for this purpose. Either one is a good choice when making bath and body products at home. Next, I'm going to add half a cup or 8 tablespoons of the oil to the double boiler. The next ingredient is cocoa butter. At room temperature, it remains solid, but heating it will turn it into a liquid, allowing it to blend with the other ingredients. Cocoa butter has a rich chocolatey aroma. If you prefer a neutral scent, you can opt for a processed version with the fragrance removed. I'll be breaking the cocoa butter apart and measuring it in a moment. The next ingredient is beeswax, and once again I'm adding 1/2 cup into the double boiler. Beeswax offers a variety of uses for witches. It's commonly used in crafting candles, poppets, talismans, and seals, and it serves as a key ingredient in ointments and natural body products. One of its remarkable qualities is its ability to anchor and unify other spell ingredients, creating a cohesive and balanced blend. I love the honey smell it adds to this lotion, and its main effect is to solidify the lotion bar. While the honey begins to melt into the warm calendula oil, it's time to prepare and measure the cocoa butter. I'm measuring out 1/2 cup. Cocoa butter, extracted from the cacao bean, is rich and nourishing for the skin. Beyond its physical benefits, cocoa butter is imbued with properties of love and sensuality. It promotes feelings of joy and can be used in spells to attract love and positivity. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this Calendula Lotion Bar recipe. It explains the magical correspondences of each of the ingredients in the blend. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. As the beeswax and cocoa butter begins to melt, this is the perfect time to add your energy and intention as you stir the liquid. At this point, you can stop adding ingredients if you want to. Everything else I add to this recipe in this video is completely optional. To add a refreshing and invigorating scent, I'm adding a few drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is a powerful cleanser, both physically and energetically, helping to dispel negativity and attract positive energy. In magic, lemongrass is used for purification and clarity, enhancing mental focus and psychic abilities. I'm also adding ginger essential oil. Ginger essential oil brings a warm and spicy aroma. It's a catalyst for energy and passion, stimulating both body and mind. Magically, ginger is used to ignite courage, success, and prosperity. It brings a sense of empowerment and drive, perfect for manifesting goals. And finally, I'm adding a few drops of orange dye to make sure that my final lotion bars are orange to represent the color of the calendula flowers. Working quickly, remove the mixture from the hot water and pour it into the molds. I chose to use round soap molds with bees on them. Allow them to cool and harden completely. This can take a few hours at room temperature or less if placed in the refrigerator. I was able to make 6 lotion bars from this recipe. Once they're solidified, gently remove the lotion bars from the molds and store them in a jar or in a tin in a cool, dry place until you're ready to use them. These lotion bars are not just skincare, they're a tool for daily magic. Use them to anoint yourself before meditation or spiritual work, enhancing your intuitive abilities and creating a protective aura. Apply them during rituals focused on love and attraction, channeling the energy of cocoa butter and ginger to manifest your desires. Rub the lotion bars on your hands before engaging in creative work, invoking the clarity of lemongrass and the courage of ginger to fuel your inspiration and productivity. You could also use them in self-care rituals to cleanse away negativity and invite positive energy, grounding yourself with the protective properties of beeswax and the healing touch of calendula.